Hi, we're gonna make our own viewfinders today for little ones. So, all right, so a couple of things that you'll need. Toilet paper tube, you could use a different kind of tube too, like the empty ones from like packaging tape or just a round something that has a tube shape to it would be fine. But we probably all have a few of these lying around, I feel like. You'll need saran wrap. Tape would work too, but it's not ideal. I'm actually using like a baggie, like a sandwich baggie, so a Ziploc bag would be fine too. I went ahead and cut out just a few shapes for this. You could also use stickers, buttons, things like that if you have, or even if you have like tiny little toys that are smaller than the size of the circle, you could use those, but they have to be a pretty clear and defined shape for this project. So the purpose of a viewfinder is that you would put the saran wrap over the top, you would have a shape in the middle, and then you'd want to go into like a darker room so that you could take a flashlight. I'm just going to show on my phone really quick how you could do it, but you would take a flashlight to shine right through there, and if you were going to project onto a wall or a ceiling, whatever would work best, you would just go ahead and do that, and then it'll make it really big. So it'd be kind of fun. No matter the age of the kid, even if they're tiny little ones, with tiny little ones, that spatial awareness, black and white pictures are really good for them in those first like few months to 6 months. So even something like this might just really grab their attention really big if you sit in the dark with them and do something like this, but it's worth a try doing it with them. And the older kids will just love this, because what kid doesn't love going in a room with a flashlight and see what they can do with it? So make some different shapes. I just kind of glued mine down already and moved them around. Just something super simple and kind of fun. You could even try doing it outside on the side of your house, or on a fence might be fun too, or if you're camping inside of a tent. So lots of different ways you can do that, but give this a shot. It's really easy and really fun to do.